The landslide victory for Donald Trump came with quite a fringe benefit, a get-out-of-jail-free card. Criminal cases in New York, Washington, Georgia, and Florida all expected to be rubbed out, according to legal experts familiar with the Justice Department practices and every president's ability to pardon. The rule of law that actually makes America great won't apply to President-elect Donald Trump, currently facing sentencing for 34 New York felonies in a case involving porn star Stormy Daniels, 2 election interference cases, and a classified documents case.
A president cannot govern from inside a prison.
The director of Loyola's Rule of Law Institute, Juliet Sorensen, tonight says Donald Trump is effectively exempt from America's cherished rule of law for all citizens because the policy here at the Justice Department is to not prosecute sitting presidents.
How is allowing an individual American to sidestep the rule of law just because he's president?
That's exactly right, Chuck. I think once again, with this most unusual president, we are facing a situation that was not anticipated by the founders when they developed our Constitution and our system of federalism. This is not just any felon right now, nor did they anticipate necessarily that a convicted felon would seek the highest elected office in the United States. So yes, President-elect Trump has effectively flipped the script. And he has used politics to trump successfully, and I do make that pun intentionally, he's used politics to trump the rule of law.
The election means these criminal cases are over.
Tonight, former federal prosecutor and chief ABC7 legal analyst Gil Sofer says Donald Trump is off the hook in his criminal and civil cases.
No court would permit a criminal case to move forward, even if it's a state case, against the sitting president. It was a perfect strategy that will have been completely or nearly completely successful.
The former and future president is scheduled to be sentenced in New York State Court 3 weeks from now. Mr. Trump's attorneys likely to achieve an indefinite delay in sentencing the president-elect for paying hush money to a porn star. It is possible that some January 6th civil suits could play out even while Mr. Trump is in the White House. A Clinton-era Supreme Court ruling held there is no presidential immunity to avoid civil litigation while in office. But criminal cases appear to be something else altogether.